and welcome to this video. My name is Elisa. So it is quite hot right now in the UK, so I thought it might be appropriate to show you a few ways you can cool yourself down through Pranayama. The techniques I will show you today are called Sitkari, Shitali, and Kaki Pranayama. These practices are cooling on different levels. The most physical level, they just simply cool our body down. On a more subtle level, they help us calm our minds and our emotions. They cool them down. Physically, these techniques stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, they lower blood pressure, and they also lower body temperature. So these practices are great for summer, however, you should avoid them during winter or if you're somewhere where there is cold weather. Since these techniques involve breathing through the mouth, it is suggested that you do not practice them if the air is polluted. This is simply because the mouth does not have the same filtering powers as the nose. Since the practices also lower blood pressure, you should avoid them if you already suffer from low blood pressure issues or if you have any respiratory disorders. It is also generally advised that you practice Nadi Shodana before trying these techniques. However, today we will go straight to the interesting part. Essentially, these three techniques are very similar and interchangeable. Which one you pick depends entirely on your capability. So for all the techniques today, inhalation will be through the mouth and exhalation through the nose. As you do this, please also try and remember to practice a full yogic breath. If you don't know what it is, it simply means to breathe using the abdomen, the chest, and creating space in the shoulders in order to utilize the whole of the lungs. So let's begin with Sitkari. Hold your teeth together lightly and separate the lips as if you were smiling. Inhale through the teeth slowly and evenly. Then close the lips and exhale again slowly and evenly through the nose. This is one round. Now this first technique is very beneficial to the health of your teeth and your gums. However, you might have sensitive teeth, or you might be missing teeth, or you might be wearing dentures, in which case this practice might be a little bit hard. So if it is not available to you, you can try Shitali. For this technique, you will extend your tongue out as far as you can without straining. Then you will roll the sides of the tongue up, forming a straw. Inhale slowly and deeply through the rolled tongue. This should make a sucking sound. Then pull the tongue in, close the lips, and exhale slowly and evenly through the nose. Again, this is one round. Now, not everybody can roll their tongue. In fact, 1/3 of the population cannot. So if this is your case, you can try Kaki breath. This means crow's beak breath. For this technique, you will purse your lips as if you were about to whistle, leaving a little space in between the lips. You will inhale slowly and deeply through your lips, then close them, and exhale evenly through the nose. Once again, this constitutes one round. Now, we've only seen these techniques involving inhalation and exhalation. However, if you are a more advanced pranayama practitioner, do feel free to add a small retention with full lungs. However, I do advise you to keep it brief, as holding the breath creates heat in the body, and we're trying to cool it down. For general purposes, you can start by practicing 11 rounds and work your way up to 21. Do remember to take your time and do not rush your breathing. Please let me know if you found this video helpful by leaving a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to stay updated about more videos from me. Do let me know in the comments below if you will be trying any of these techniques or if you already know them. And also if you have any questions, I am happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Om Shanti.